Here you go, Dad. Back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up. I'm gonna back up. You back up. Holy, that thing is big.
That is huge.
That's a nice big engine.
I know, right?
That's clean.
It's a new engine. Well, I mean, it's 4 years old. Yeah, it's going to Kansas City, it says on the front.
When it leaves,
Probably. That. Oh wait, it's still moving. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I love that song. I'm just gonna keep it on video the entire time. I know it says Kansas City on the front. You guys can see it. Oh wow! That scared me. Oh yeah, let's go! Westbound Kansas City. You see these adventure cars? Business class.